Welcome back for yet another exciting Python video. Right now I'm going to show you how to do input validation that is just okay. So what we do here is we ask for the input of test1. We convert it to an integer and we assign it to a variable called iTest1. Then we come down here to make sure what they typed in is not less than or equal to 0. So say I enter in -5. I put in -5 and I'm asking if -5 is less than or equal to 0, and that is true. So we print out to the screen, new line, test scores must be greater than 0. Then we ask for the same information again. Input test1, convert to an integer. And we test a second time. If it's less than or equal to 0, we got a problem. And then we stop the program. So they get 2 tries. 1 try, and notice how this if is indented underneath this if. So you get 2 tries. What works about it, it gives you 2 tries. So let's try running it. So I'm going to put this code over here so you can see where we're at. And I'm going to type -5 and hit enter. Notice I took -5 and we came to here. If -5 is less than or equal to 0, we got this message, and you can see that right here, and it's asking me for another test1 right here. Say I put a 0 in, we're going to be right here, and the code is going to stop because 0 is less than or equal to 0, and we get this message. So my question to you is, well, we give them 2 opportunities to give me data, but is that good enough? What happens if someone gives me 3 or 4 bad pieces of information? Wouldn't it be nice if we could keep asking for the information until they gave me what I want? So I'm going to hit the 0. Remember, the execution's right here. And notice test scores must be greater than 0, and then the program stops. A good attempt, but not quite what we want.